Adjectives. Today you are going to learn about adjectives. An adjective modifies or gives more information about noun or pronoun. Adjectives tell about the quality, quantity, number or order of the noun that it describes. Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality answers the question what kind. For example, a hungry fox chased a cat. Hungry answers the questions what kind of fox. Adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of quantity mostly describes uncountable noun. For example, there is a little water to drink. Little answers the questions how much water. Adjective of number. An adjective of number answers the question how many. For example, I will be absent for 6 days. 6 answers the questions how many days. Adjective of number. An adjective of number answers the question in what order. For example, I stood in the 3rd row. All the cardinal and ordinal numbers are adjectives. Some adjectives used with uncountable noun is an adjective of quantity. For example, I have some food. Some adjectives used with countable noun is an adjective of number. For example, I have some dishes. An adjective usually comes before noun it describes or modifies. For example, this is a huge palace. An adjective may also come immediately beside the noun it describes. For example, the heat made the child sleepy. Possessive adjectives and articles are types of adjectives, the noun it describes. They come before a noun or another adjective. For example, I have a car. Here, a is used as an article. Where is your car? In this case, your is used as possessive adjective. Very often we use more than one adjective in front of a noun. For example, the small fluffy grey cat sat beside me. We use adjectives from the size and color groups by keeping the size and word first. For example, she has a big green car. We do not use a comma or and between the two words. For example, she has a big white car. This is correct. She has a big, white car. This is incorrect. She has a big and white car. This is also incorrect. We use and when using adjectives from the same group. For example, she has a red and white car. Correct. She has a red and white color car. Incorrect. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel.